Hey everybody, this is Tyler Hill at MarineMax here in beautiful Pompano Beach, South Florida. We're your local Boston Whaler dealer, and today we're looking at a brand new model just released from Boston Whaler. This is the new 21 Vantage. This is a 2024 model in the beautiful light gray gel coat hull. This is the smallest boat in the Vantage lineup, but it's packed with a lot of space, a lot of amenities. Just a great do-it-all boat. Fish it, dive it, cruise it, do water sports, a little bit of everything. Beautiful bimini top on the boat. This one has the upgraded 225 Mercury 4-stroke on it. Nice Simrad electronics package. Nice trim tabs. Big concealed swim ladder under here, 4-rung. I think what caught me by surprise was how much room and how beamy the boat feels from back here. You have 2 jump seats in the back that can fold down, so you have more fishing ability. Rod holders, cup holders everywhere, beautiful bucket seats. Look at all the space in here. You could add a few more coolers with some cushions on them if you needed more seating. You can see what these back seats do. They lift up when you want to use them. You have a beautiful optional table on this one. You have your freshwater washdown back here, and this white cover here is for a pylon, ski pylon for your water sports that mounts in there when you want to use it. It stores away when you're not. All JL audio speakers. This gorgeous helm. 9-inch Simrad DTS controls with push button start. Yes, this is a fly-by-wire powered engine. 4-stroke. Freshwater fill is over here. And look at the size of the head on this boat. For a 21-footer. Beautiful pump-out porta potty. There's dedicated storage for your cockpit table. You can't stand in there, but it's pretty big. Moving up to the bow area here. Nice place to hang out. You have a concealed area for your anchor and anchor line. Lots of storage inside the helm. We do have a block-off door as well. Again, everyone, this is Tyler Hill, MarineMax, Pompano Beach, here in beautiful South Florida. This is the new 21 Vantage from Boston Whaler. Give us a call today, 954-783-9555. Bye for now.